Here are the top 23 critical facts about celiac disease. It is an autoimmune reaction to the protein gluten. Gluten is found in wheat, barley and rye. TTGIGA blood test is the preferred first-line screening tool for diagnosis of celiac disease, where levels above 10 are typically considered positive and results over 100 strongly indicate celiac disease. Another fact is 1 in 100 people have celiac disease. It is one of the most common autoimmune disease. It is a genetic disease and is hereditary as well. 90% celiacs have HLA-DQ2 genes or 5% have HLA-DQ8 genes. It can develop at any age and often misdiagnosed. 30-40% of the general population carries celiac disease related gene, but उनपे celiac disease manifest नहीं होता है. Epigenetics, DNA methylation, histone modification acts as the bridge between this genetic predisposition or environmental triggers, gluten, determining if genes are expressed or silenced. एक और fact है कि it can affect every organ in the body. 200 plus symptoms are associated with celiac disease, or 80% celiacs remain undiagnosed. It is known as the great pretender or a chameleon process, mimicking many other conditions with a broad spectrum of vague, polymorphic, and sometimes entirely absent symptoms. Therefore, it is frequently missed as a first-line diagnosis. Simple blood test is the first step towards diagnosis, but intestinal biopsy remains the gold standard for confirming a celiac diagnosis. There is no cure or medicine for celiac disease. A nutritious gluten-free diet is currently the only treatment available. Gluten-free foods has less than 20 ppm of gluten. Most celiacs can achieve excellent health when following a nutritious, non-pro-inflammatory gluten-free diet. Iron deficiencies are present up to 80% of celiacs at diagnosis, and celiac disease is present in 2 to 5% of patients with iron deficiency anemia. It is associated with at least 37 diseases or disorders as comorbidities. The 16th of May is celebrated as International Celiac Disease Awareness Day. Arnab Guha founder, Impeccable Innovations Private Limited says, "Our team of experienced food scientists have been extensively working on the science, biology of gluten-free foods and celiac disease since 2018. This will be path-breaking for our future generations." Meet some of our role models who have contributed immensely in the celiac disease space. Dr. Ishi Khosla, Dr. Sarat Gopalan, Dr. Govind Makharia, Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna, Dr. Peter Green. Let's join hands and beat celiac disease.